Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is about very beautifully designed, hand embroidered, handmade, reusable, washable, soft, lightweight, 3 layered with filter pocket face mask design ideas. Yes friends, from today's video you will get amazing and creative design ideas, 200 plus latest designer style face mask designs. Yes friends, for the beginning of this video, as an initiative, we have taken a massive number of mask designs, almost in combinations, in massive collections. All of these are a very beautifully designed theme-based party theme, Christmas theme, everyday, casual, formal look-based setup. Friends, my today's video is made basically for basic health concerns. That is, I would try to persuade you to wear mask while going out by representing some very beautiful and traditional amazing classy design ideas, and at the same time we will discuss them in detail, that how you can make them by the art of hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, machine embroidery, and much more hand art related stuff. So friends, before going into the depth of these stitches, I request you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and subscribe right now. While subscribing, do press the bell icon button activity as well, so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And if you are already a subscriber, a follower of my content, then friends, comment below and let us know that how you feel about our content, our design ideas, our fashion related stuff and suggestions. And kindly do make a habit of massively sharing my content, my videos with your friends and family, so that we could grow our YouTube family into a remarkable and a very massive enhanced number of followers, subscribers. So friends, now let's move back to the details and depth of this design ideas, that what is the depth if we talk about in detail. Friends, if we are going to make them with the art of hand embroidery, then it is very easy for you, if you are a beginner, to start with some easy stitches like satin stitch, lazy daisy stitch, fly stitch, Brazilian embroidery, and simple and easy stuffs like this. Friends, this video collection is a combination, a merger, or you can say a hybrid approach, that into which you would see face masks wearing models, real life persons, that how these face masks look if you wear them, and a very separate and creative, detailed and closer views of the face mask designs for the perspective of beginners, makers as well. Friends, the beauty of these masks is that they are very beautifully, decently, elegantly composed and made, and along with adjustable nose wire, with very pretty, soft, lightweight, elastic ear straps to adjust and be fitted in a very beautiful and easy environment. So friends, I suggest you to don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end. You will get amazing, beautiful and creative design ideas of all types and all sorts, that how you are going to design your masks, rather you want to design them by yourselves with the art of hand embroidery, or you want these designs to be get made for you with the art of machine embroidery as well. The collection is a funky, stylish, decent, elegant merger and combination of for all age group, all gender human beings. That is, these masks are very reliable and suitable for girls, boys, teenagers, older ones, and as well as they are perfect for children. Friends, as you know that COVID-19 is a very dangerous and pandemic situational virus, and it has affected the whole community worldwide in effectively in a massive number, and many more viruses are yet being to be discovered, and they are affecting the human health badly. So it is our foremost and first duty, and it should be our basic necessity to wear masks while going out. This would not only protect you, but the loved ones, your social circle ones, and the persons whom you are concerned about would also be protected with some very, very useful and careful initiatives and steps by yours. So friends, now this video section is going through a very pretty and beautiful black designer masks. Now you can move towards lighter ones as well. As I have told you earlier that this video is a merger of different combo based, different sort of interest based, different choices, person based designs. So every type and sort will be covered in this design selection and collection of our video. So friends, I hope that you will get creative and amazing ideas or whatever choice and design you wanted. My request to you is that kindly do try these patterns, because if we talk about from the perspective of embroidery, then this collection is composed of hand embroidery that is based on Pakistani hand embroidery, Indian hand embroidery, Brazilian, Mexican hand embroidery, Japanese hand embroidery, even different sorts of machine embroidery patterns as well. Beginners embroidery, professional embroidery, embroidery lovers patterns, funky children based, children loving patterns, some creative teenager loving patterns, and much more. So, friends, with this, allow me to leave. Take care of yourselves. You don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end. I assure you that you will be able to watch and get very creative and amazing ideas of all types and all sorts. And let us know what else you want us to show you or to share some creative ideas with you. And from my channel you will be able to get creative ideas, stylish, latest and trendy ideas related to women fashion, dress designing, footwear, handbags, cosmetics, fashion designing ideas, gemstones, jewelry designs, mehndi designs, bridal outfits, traditional designer, Indian wear, Pakistani wear, Western dress designs, hand knitted, sweater, woolen material stuff, silk ribbon embroidery, fabric painting, tutorials, step by step for beginners, and much more. So stay tuned and keep supporting us. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.